Can you see this river? This is my grandmother's house. There is a small river at here. There is so many fishes and it is a beautiful and cool water in it. Can you see? There are some small fishes. Water is so cool. See, it is a beautiful river. There is a small fish at there. Can you see it? Some fishes are floating in the water. Friends, look, there is a small waterfall. The water is so cool that my legs are so cold. And there's some small fishes too. Really, it is so enjoyable place. And this is so cool. And this is a good place and very nice place. I touch one fish, it is also touching my hand. I touch one fish. Water is so cool.